Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. It's a yet another video. We're going to learn about the rotations and the difference about the previous rotation concepts that we learned, and in today's video is that today we are learning 90-degree clockwise rotation about a point that is given to us. In previous video we have learned 90-degree rotation about origin. In this video, we are going to focus about the center of rotation being a different given point. That means the figure that we were so far rotating, earlier we were rotating about the center of the quadrant, but now this center is shifted somewhere else to another given point, and how about that given point we have to rotate the figure is what we are going to focus on in this video. So here the question is that the center of rotation is shifted to 2, -1. So about this given point, if we have to rotate any given figure, how are we going to do that? Or any other point apart from this point also, if any other point is given to you as your center of rotation, how you will calculate the newly formed point after its rotation is what I'm going to teach you first, that method, and then we will see its plot. I have already written a problem on the board, that is rotate point P 3,7 90-degree clockwise about a given point 2, -1. How do we do that? For learning that, there are 3 steps that are involved. How are those 3 steps? We will now check. Step number 1 is write the given coordinate and subtract the coordinate about which we have to rotate the point. So subtract 2, -1 from the given point. Always remember, when we subtract, the sign of the coordinates or sign of any number changes when we subtract. While subtracting, we also have to be mindful that we subtract x coordinate from another x coordinate and y coordinate from the other y coordinate. So here, after subtracting 3 - 2, I obtain 1, and this is 7 plus 1, it will become 8. So these are the 2 coordinates that I have obtained after subtraction. The next step, step 2, is to the points that we have obtained here after subtraction, apply the 90-degree clockwise rule to it. So 90-degree clockwise rule says if the point is xy, it becomes y, -x. So here also this will exchange their places. It will become 8, -1. So that's my step 2. The given coordinate that I obtained here on step 1, I have to apply the 90-degree clockwise rule to it. Now comes step 3. What do we have to do in step 3? The point that we obtained over here, 8, -1, we have to add back the given point which we had subtracted over here. So now we will add again 2, -1 to it. So when we will add 8 plus 2, it is 10, and -1 -1 will become -2. So my point 3, 7 originally, after 90-degree clockwise rotation about the point 2, -1, it will ultimately become, the new coordinates are 10, -2. So we have to plot these 2 coordinates on the quadrant grid and complete our transformation. Now, how a given figure, a given triangle or a square will be rotated about the given point, we will see that actually by plotting it on a graph paper. In this video, we are going to now learn about rotation 90-degree clockwise about a point. Here, the rotation of the figure has to be done 90-degree clockwise about a given point 3, 1. I have drawn a triangle ABC which we have to rotate 90-degree clockwise, and about the point through which the rotation has to happen is 3, 1. How do we do that? There are 3 steps involved in rotating this figure about a point. Step number 1 here is we write down the coordinates of 3 points. So coordinates of point A are 2, 3. Coordinates of point B are 3, 7, and coordinates of point C are 5, 6. And then I have to subtract the given point about which the rotation has to happen. So rotation is going to happen about a point 3, 1. So I have to subtract point 3, 1 from the original coordinates of A, B and C. So everywhere I am going to subtract point 3, 1. So since I am going to subtract it, I am writing this subtraction sign everywhere. So how do we subtract? We subtract x coordinate from the other x coordinate and y coordinate from the other y coordinate. So after subtraction here, 2, minus 3, we will get my answer as minus 1. 3 minus 1, I'll get an answer as 2. 3 minus 3, my answer will be 0. 7 minus 1, my answer will be 6. 5 minus 3, my answer here will be 2. 6 minus 1, my answer will be 5. This is my step number 1. Step number 2 is apply the rule for -90° clockwise rotation. So the coordinates that are obtained after subtraction, to these points I have to apply the 90° clockwise rule. So 90° clockwise rule says that the points will flip and the x coordinate will change. So I'll write down the rule as well over here. I have written over here the rule for 90° clockwise rotation about a point, and with application of that rule the points will flip. 2 will take place over here, and then it is -1 which will take place of x but with the changed sign, so it will become 2, 1. This numbers over here will become 6, 0. 0 will not change any sign, and then the numbers will flip over here, will become 5, minus 2. So in the second step I have applied the rule for 90° clockwise rotation. Now what we have to do is the point about which we were rotating, we have subtracted that in step 1. In step 3 we have to add that point again to our plotting. So add 3, 1 to the points that we obtained here. So here I obtained 2, 1, 6, 0, 5, minus 2, to which the point 3 and 1 will get added. After I add the points, I add x coordinate to x, y coordinate to y. I'll get my answer as 5, 2. Here I get the answer 9, 1. And here I get the answer 8, minus 1. So these are my 3 points which I will get after rotation 90° clockwise about a point 3, 1. Now I will plot these points here to make my rotated figure. So my first point here is 5, 2. So this is point 5. This is 2. So this is going to be my point A dash. Second point is 9, 1. So 9 here on x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. So that's my second point, 9, 1. And my third point is 8, minus 1. So 8, minus 1. After all three new points are plotted, you can take a ruler and join the newly plotted points. This will help you to obtain your figure with 90-degree clockwise rotation about a point 3, 1. You can cross-check this with the same method. Select a point A and A dash, and through the point which was its center of rotation, join those 2 points. You will see a 90-degree angle formed over here at 3, 1 when you join points A, A dash. This indicates that you have flipped this point with 90-degree clockwise rotation through point 3, 1. You can use the 3 steps to rotate any given figure about any given point.